Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to create dual apps on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on advanced features, then go to dual messenger, and under the available apps section, you will find all the apps which support the dual messenger feature. Now to create dual apps using the dual messenger feature, just enable the toggle for the app which you want to create a clone of. Then select install and tap on confirm. Now just enable this toggle and tap on next. Then select OK. And once you do that, you will create a clone of the selected app. Just like that. Now if I go to the home screen and open the app drawer, as you can see, we have successfully created a clone of the selected apps. But if the app which you want to create a clone of is not available under the available apps section, there is another method to create dual apps. For that, just go back to the main settings page, then tap on security and privacy. From here, just go to more security settings, then tap on secure folder. Now just tap on continue to create secure folder on your Samsung phone. And from here, just create a password for your secure folder. Now you can select a PIN, a password, or a pattern. For now, I will select a PIN. Now just create a PIN which must consist of at least 4 digits. Then tap on continue. Select use anyway. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Then select OK. Now just select allow. After that, just tap on next. Now to create dual apps in the secure folder, just tap on the plus icon over here. And in this section, just select the apps of which you want to create a clone of. Just like that. And once you select the apps which you want to create a clone of, then tap on add. And once you successfully add the selected apps to your secure folder, the next step is to tap and hold on the app which you have added. Then select add to home screen. Tap on add. And once you do that, you will add a copy of the selected app to the home screen. Just like that. And this is how you can create dual apps on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.